Welcome to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Coda R.
We're in Course C, Lesson 12, Looking Ahead with Minecraft. So the instructions say, add a second move forward block to reach the sheep. So right now we have one move forward. Let's see what it does. So we just move one forward.
He's like this. Because you didn't reach the goal. The sheep is just looking around and kicking his feet.
So now we need to go to sheep. So let's add one more move forward. So it can go forward one more time and reach the sheep. Oops. Okay, now let's run it.
Sheepy.
Now it got the sheep. Yay!
The sheep just eating.
Let's press continue. Now the instructions say, wood is a very important resource. Many things are made from it. Walk to the tree and use the destroy block command to chop it down. So here, if you chop the wood block, the whole tree will fall down.
Yeah, wood can make your first resource to get other resources to make other weapons and stuff.
Yeah, so it's 2 steps away. So let's do 2 move forwards.
Cranky. Let's see if it reached the tree. 1, 2.
Yes. So it reached the tree, but it's also in the instructions it says use the destroy block command to chop it down. So now we need to go to the destroy block and now let's run it.
To get some resource.
So now the whole tree disappeared and we collected the wood.
It's a wood plank.
Now let's continue. Now the instructions say sheep shearing time. Use the shear command to gather wool from both sheep. So you can get wool to craft beds. And right now we have a shear command.
So you can shear down.
Yeah, so let's first move 2 steps forward so we can reach the sheep, the first sheep.
You just doing the same thing as the first sheep.
Now let's run it.
Okay.
So now we reach the sheep.
And we need to shear its wool, maybe to make a bed.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get shear. So right now, Steve's going to move 2 times forward to reach the sheep, and then he's going to shear the sheep, so he was going to get the wool. Let's run it. So he just sheared, and he got the wool.
I think the thing I only know that wool can make is a bed. So I think Steve's collecting wool to make a bed.
So we ended up here after shearing. So the sheep is down. So we need to go turn right.
So we can turn right down and face the sheep.
Yeah. And then move forward.
So you
can move forward and reach the sheep.
Yep.
Okay, let's run it. So now we turn and go down. So now we reach the second sheep. But we still need to shear it. So let's get the shear command and put it right here. So now the first move forward and shear will go to the first sheep and shear. Then turn right, move forward and shear will turn, move forward and shear the second sheep. So now let's run it. Now it's going to the second sheep.
The sheep looks like naked, but it can grow back its wool.
Now we have both wool. And we're done. And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.